Hello friends, today we'll see for how to run DeepSpeech in Windows. Actually Windows we can't directly run in DeepSpeech. What we need to do here is we need to set up Windows based Ubuntu subsystem. We need to change in our Windows OS. So first we'll step by step we'll do it. We have 12 steps. If we follow the 12 steps, we can completed our task. So first what we need to do here is need to go to settings in update and security. In this update and security, for developer option will be there. With the developer option, developer mode will be there. If it is some other mode will be there, means you need to change it as a developer mode. Why we are enabling developer mode is that Windows for Ubuntu subsystem we need to we need that feature. If it is that feature is not there, means definitely the problem will be in developer mode. You need to enable developer mode, means we can get that feature. So I already enabled the feature. If you enable this feature, after that what we need to do, you need to go for control panel, all control panel items, programs and features option will be there. In that programs and features, you need to go for turn Windows feature on or off option. After that you can get this kind of Windows. With the Windows you can see Windows subsystem for Linux. You enable that feature. After that you will give OK, and then you will go and restart it your system. I already did, so I no need to restart. So if you are in first time doing, means you need to go and restart it. After completed the restart, see, I already documented it everything, so don't worry. In this I upload in GitHub. You can go and check it in the readme file. See, first you need to go for developer mode, enable developer mode. After that what we need to do, go to program and features. After that you need to enable Windows subsystem for Linux and restart the system. After that what we need to do, you need to go to Microsoft Store and install Ubuntu software. So now we'll check it. Go to store. If you search Ubuntu, means if you search here Ubuntu, means you can get here whatever you want, 16.04 or 18.04, whatever you want you can get here. I already installed for 16.04, so I already installed. See, once if you install completed, go and check it here. In start you will check it. I have my Ubuntu. See, I already started the Ubuntu here. So another one Ubuntu terminal now I opened. See, if first time you are opening, means it will ask to generate a username and password. So what you need to do, if you are in first time, you need to set it as username and password. Like if you are familiar with Ubuntu system, means you know whenever you are installing the OS, you need to set it as username and password. Like that it will ask username and password. You need to re-enter the password 2 times. For me, I already did. That's why it is directly showing. If I am doing any installation, means it will ask a password. See, now it is asking password. If I already know my password, so I am giving. If you first time if you are creating the password, you need to remember that password only here you need to keep. Okay, see now going on the update process. Here I already going through on process going on. So let's see after that what you need to do. Okay, the seventh step will be you need to after you are generating username and password, you need to do update and upgrade, because some defaultly that software will be there now. This in this software we already some predefined packages also will be there. You need to update and upgrade, you must need to do. Okay, so that's why what I did here, I did sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade. Okay guys, then next what you need to do, you need to install. Now we need to run DeepSpeech in our Windows based Ubuntu subsystem. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to install Python 3 and pip 3. Before it's not there, so what you need to do, you need to install Python and pip. Okay, so you used to, if you use these two commands, it will be fine. Sudo apt-get install Python 3 and sudo apt-get install Python 3 pip. So after completing this procedure, actually I already completed this procedure, so I will show you the demo. Okay, directly I will show you the demo. So before, if you are following this step by step, if you following this command, you can achieve what I am doing now. Next you can do it. Okay, so come to see the next step. After completing the seventh step, what you need to do, in our Windows based Ubuntu subsystem, if you want to go to your C directory or D directory, D disk, you need to go for /mnt. Okay, wow. /mnt. After, if you want to C disk, you will go for the C disk, or otherwise D disk, you will give D. Okay, wow. Once check it, list ls of /mnt. Okay, wow, you can get to know. After went to the directory, D directory, what you need to do is must just you'll create your own directory, DeepSpeech directory. After that you need to install virtual environment. Okay, in this virtual environment only we are installing the package. For secure purpose only we are doing like this. If you are doing so many projects, means the versions will be differ, so we need to maintain on virtual environment. So that's why we are installing virtual environment. First of all, if you are started with the scenario, you need to install in OS virtual environment. So I have to get install virtual env. After that, via pip you need to install. So now you install virtual environment. After that, you need to create your own virtual environment and activate the virtual environment. So as of actually already some of them know the concepts, so beginners it will be very useful for following the step-by-step concepts. You can achieve everything. Okay, so I am creating the virtual environment and then I am activating the virtual environment. Okay guys, so now what we need to do, we need to download DeepSpeech pre-trained model. Directly you copy and paste it this command and then you can download it. Okay, well, I am doing now for DeepSpeech 0.6.1. Okay, wow. This is our latest now current scenario. This is a latest pre-trained model, standard pre-trained model. So I already downloaded the model. See, once check it, I will show you. Here I already downloaded and I already unzip. So what you need to do, if you are following this command, you can achieve it directly. You will unzip it. The same audio input file you need to download, so you will download and unzip it. Okay, wow. After that, what you need to do, you already activated the virtual environment. So what you need to do for our inferencing purpose, you need to install DeepSpeech via pip. Okay, wow. We are following 0.6.1. So you must need to install this one. Okay, wow. After completing this one, we'll directly check the inference results. So I will show you the inference result to you. I will activate and I will show you. I already completed the entire scenario. So if you want to follow the step-by-step procedure, this documentation in description below GitHub, you'll go and check it out and then do it step by step. So now I am going to here. So see guys, /mnt, if I search, if I ls, if I keep means C disk, D disk, my directory will be in C disk. See, here I have my virtual environment. Sorry guys, I didn't created a virtual environment, so no problem. I'm only showing demo purpose only. I am doing this, so I am not using so many things. So now I no need. Okay, no problem. We'll create it virtual environment. I'm creating my virtual environment. I already did the comments, whatever I said to you. See, almost I did for 9th step, and then I downloaded this entire thing. I downloaded. So we need to create a virtual environment and then we need to install DeepSpeech. Okay, that is only we have pending. So I created the virtual environment, so I am activating the virtual environment. So now I want to install DeepSpeech. If you are using GPU, so you directly go and install for DeepSpeech GPU. Okay, I am not using GPU system, so directly I am running this. Why I am running this? This is the latest version, so it will directly install 0.6.1 only. So that's why I am doing like this. It will install. After install, we will run the command. It will work. Okay. So now it is installing. I am going to copy the command. I think I already copied. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah guys, I already copied. Okay, fine. See guys, now installation going on. After completed the DeepSpeech installation, we'll run it. Here the confusion you have in first 5 steps only. Remaining things, if you are familiar with Ubuntu already, you already have a experience with this, means these steps will be regular thing only. So you need to must concentrate on this first 5 steps only. First 5 steps only you must need to concentrate on. Once again I will repeat you because beginners can get struggle, that's why. So go on Windows settings. Okay, with the settings you can get for developer mode. Okay, for developer option, in this developer option you can see three modes. Okay, in this 3 modes you will enable developer mode. After enabling the developer mode, you go to control panel for programs and features. With the programs and features, you right click on turn Windows features on and off. after that it will show you like this one. See, I will show you. After clicking this, it will show you what are the features will be there. In this feature, what we need to enable means Windows based Ubuntu subsystem. That feature you need to enable. If you already enabled everything fine means you can directly go to Microsoft Store and you can install that software, and then you can do it as set it as a username and password and then start working on. Okay, see guys, here you will see we already enabled Windows based Ubuntu subsystem, Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, we enabled Windows subsystem for Linux, we already enabled. After completing this, you need to restart again. Okay, after restarted, what you need to do, you need to go to stores and then you need to install the Ubuntu. If you want 18.0 phone, you can install 18.04. I have in my normal OS 16.04 I am using, so normally 16.04. Nothing is the difference, don't worry. See, after completing this procedure, what you need to do, you need to go and open it terminal, Ubuntu terminal. With the Ubuntu terminal, you need to first time means it will ask username and password. Okay, if you set it as a username password and then directly start working on remaining these steps. As a maybe you know, so but for the beginners, do it for sudo apt-get update and upgrade. After that, try it Python, install Python 3 and pip3. So after that, you'll start downloading model files and then test it in Inference. Okay, so now I will go and test it. See, I think it is installed. I already having model files and then audio files. Once I will show you. See guys, model files also will be there, audio file also there, audio file will be there. So we'll test it, our results. See, now inference going on. If you are train your own model with the master GitHub repo for 0.6.1, so what you need to do, just you need to train the model, you need to replace here. If you are not converted BB2 output graph BB2 BBM means how to do, I will post another video. And then how to do it in real time, like web application, Android app, how we can serve it as a Android app, and then web application, and then Python application, Flask to serve. I will show you in next videos. Keep watching on our videos. Okay, please subscribe our channel, AI Trends. Okay, up to date what are the new things will be there in AI, we can post. Okay, see, inferencing going on. Actually, this is our CPU based, that's why it is taking time. So it will complete within 1 minute. So just concentrate on this first 5 steps for beginners or everyone. See, I will tell you what we need to do step by step. I will tell you. See, first you need to go to developer mode to enable the developer mode, and then features, programs and features, you need to enable Windows subsystem for Linux. After that, go to Microsoft Store and install Ubuntu software, and then set it as a username and password, and then after that update and upgrade it. After that, install Python and pip. After that, you create a virtual environment, install virtual environment and create virtual environment, activate it, the virtual environment. After that, download the pre-trained model. After that, do it inferencing. Okay. See, I completed experience proof list. If you want to check the results in real time, the results, no problem, we'll show it. That's not mandatory. Okay, the results will be fine, it's working fine. This is our Windows system, but we did for inferencing DeepSpeech in Windows. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. You can get more useful content with our artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. Okay guys, thank you so much.